When you go in and you see a factory plant or you see something, you're like, wow, I can't believe this is still going on. I could fix these things. And then how do you get paid for that?
Some of our manufacturing clients, since we're already there, will bring us in with the engineering team to talk about the people. But people come in all shapes and sizes, right? So you might design a line as ergonomically friendly as possible for the majority of people, but you're going to have that 6'5" guy or gal, or you're going to have that really short person who needs adaptive equipment or some sort of accommodation. And what we try to do is instill that framework of industrial athlete to them and then train them on the line itself. And then taking it a step further, that way it removes it from us, is then we do job descriptions based on how the movement should be performed. So when one of the managers or trainers of that line is training the employees, they're delivering these really tangible items, even if they're not that professional person.
Want to listen to the full interview? Go to Apple, Spotify, YouTube, or wherever you consume podcasts.